what's going on, Jeep fam and fellow purveyors of rad shit? Ryan Hawk here at DCD Customs. Just introducing you to today's video. We got some cool stuff with the John Bull Trail up at Big Bear, and this is also a trail that we've never done before. So we used a cool little guidebook, of which I'm going to show you here in a second. I think it's called the California Guide to Off-Road Trails or something. Anyways, you can get it on Amazon. Alright, here's that book I was telling you about, that little trail guide. It's Guide to California Back Roads and Four-Wheel Drive Trails. $34.95 on Amazon. But here's a picture of it, give you an idea. And we'll drop the Amazon link down below. So yeah, get it. It'll save your ass. It saved ours. But yeah, that's the first part. And then the second part is actually Lite Brite. They came through to get some cool shit done to their JL, and they happen to be right here. Say what's up, guys.
What's up, guys?
What's going on? And the other thing I wanted to do was introduce you to the newest member of the DCD family, which happens to be this beautiful Jeep Gladiator we got right here. So stay tuned. Lots of cool stuff to come. Awesome build with this. But today's episode, John Bull, Lite Brite Part 1. All right, enjoy the show. Actually, I'm out of breath because I'm running it while they're wheeling it. First,
This is good an exercise. We don't get
I know. Good spot, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at the guy run. Woo. Beer 30, boys. Cheers. All right, we got Lite Brite in the house. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
We're giving the just a child a new heartbeat.
Getting rid of that.
Definitely getting rid of that.
And getting a little of
There's nothing wrong with the turbo itself. Actually, we might go and repurpose that turbo onto something else, like
a drift car. Like my drift car.
Yeah. You just throw the turbo on that and tune that, because there is tuning for the drift car. So that'd be cool.
That sounds cool.
Pulling the shaft. pull the shaft out of it.
Dominoes.
Uh-oh.
Joke's on you.
You guys are stoked.
We're so stoked.
We're all stoked.
The moment you've all been waiting for. Ready?
Yeah. You know that's making the cut.
I got it, on.
Let's try not to get hemorrhoids.
Look at that. 6.4 Hemi. Where's the XRT sticker?
Welcome to DCD. Can I help you?
So wait, what happened yesterday?
We had an earthquake, and it's my first time ever being in an earthquake.
And even after earthquakes, they're still kind enough to bring us donuts.
And ham and cheese croissant.
And
Oh,
ham
yeah.
and cheese croissant with it.
We're going off-roading again.
Nope.
This is gonna be it. We're just gonna drive up and down the street.
It's gonna be a mall crawler
Yeah,
from now on.
we're not. The transmission now.
Trans mount has to be removed. Modify the cross member
Okay, so this goes away completely.
for the moment.
For the moment. And then what do you do to the cross member?
We modify it to fit, the back.
And we can do your work and teach you everything at the same. Get out of the shop. Get out of the shop.
Alright, so we're gonna get started.
But now we
and
have to get to work.
Let's go.
we're gonna B-roll all that, so.
Yeah.
Boom. Alright. Getting some well corn is going on there.
Oh yeah. Grilling on a Saturday with these fine gentlemen. Yeah. Yeah, and we got the Lite Brite crowd in here doing their thing. You guys ready for some burgers?
Jesus, yes.
Burgers gets them every time. Cheers. Protein. Yeah. Bam. Bam. Phew.
Alright, we're about to drop in.
Huh? Is it in? Something like
Not
that?
yet. It's lined up.
There it goes.
And it's in.
It's in.
He's
You clears like everything.
You guys are not motivated at all. You guys just.
Alright guys and girls, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, even if you want to talk shit, it's cool, we like it. And subscribe by hitting that little red button. Watch out, we got two-door tank coming through. Danny. But yeah, thanks again for watching. That was Big Bear John Bull, Lite Brite behind the scenes, part 1. Next one will be part 2. And also more about that Jeep Gladiator build we got going. So thanks again for watching. We appreciate you. And shoot, get out on the trail. Go do some cool shit. All right, have a great day. Ow!